Hi everyone, this is Kibo Vlogs. If you're Claire Base, Team Kids Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. At last, matatapos na din natin to yung KDR band performances ni Ruel Caño. So this is his song, My Way. Isasama ko din ata dito yung isa pa niyang kinanta. Wait lang, nakalimutan ko na kung anong kakantahin niya dito for today's video. Pero on a clear day, wait. Narinig ko na ba si Ruel kumanta ng On a Clear Day? Wala pa. First time ko to. First time itong kakantahin na maririnig ko. So without further ado, let's start this reaction video. Tingnan natin. Ang ganda na yung When I Fall in Love, no? Kahapon, ang ganda-ganda ng rendition niya na yun. Ang ganda ng arrangement, ha? Ay, ang ganda ng arrangement. Ang ganda ng boses niya dito. Iba yung boses niya dito, no? Wait, yung emphasis niya, certain. Da, no?
Much more than this, I did it my way. Regrets.
Ang ganda ng enunciation niya dito.
But then again, too few to mention,
Yung pronunciation niya, tsaka enunciation, ang ganda.
and I did.
Tsaka na-emphasize yung low notes niya. Ang ganda ng low notes niya. Bihira lang sa mga singers ang maganda ang low notes, ha? Kasi usually talaga benitera, mas madali talagang i-hit ang high notes kaysa sa low notes, to be honest.
Sorry through,
Okay.
without exception. I climbed each charted course, each careful step along the byway, and much more than this, I did it my way. Yes, there were times, I'm sure you knew, when I bit off much more than I could chew. But through it all, when there was doubts, I ate it up.
Nice. Nice. Wait, can we just repeat on that part? Ang ganda nun. Subtle.
When there was doubts,
Okay. Alam niya kung anong tactic na gagamitin niya para hindi siya mag-crack or sharp. Nice. Okay. Ang ganda ng placement ng boses niya dito, swear. Okay.
I find it all so amusing to think I did all that, and may I say, not in a shy way. Oh no, not me. I did it my way. For what is a man?
Ang ganda ng arrangement. Maganda talaga.
Not himself, that he is not.
Okay.
To say the things he truly feels.
Oh my God. The emotion. Ramdam mo yung feeling doon.
That he is not
Parang in love siya dito. I don't know, baka magaling lang talaga siya sa emotions. One of the best My Way na performance ni Ruel. Wow, the control. Ang ganda din ng banda, in fairness. Ang ganda din ng banda. Ang ganda ng arrangement. Ang ganda din ng arrangement, actually. Ang ganda ng When I Fall in Love ba yun? Pinakinggan ko ulit yung kagabi. Ay! Hindi pa pala tapos. Iba yung emotion niya dito. Iba talaga, I swear. May kakaiba dito sa performance niya na My Way. I mean, I don't know kung ako lang ha, kasi marami din naman talaga tayong narinig na kinanta ni Ruel Carino ng My Way. Pero this is one of the best My Way na performance niya. I really don't know, maybe sa sound or sa banda or sa arrangement. Pero sa emotion niya kasi, yung sa emphasis niya pala, yung kanina sa certain, ang ganda-ganda ng pagkaka-pronounce niya, ang ganda-ganda ng pagkaka-deliver niya sa certain. Tapos dito sa pinaka-last part, tapos when he's hitting the high notes, ang ganda-ganda din kasi kung paano niya i-crack, I mean, ipuputulin, kung saan siya puputol, binibigla niya ng pagputol. Kasi kung ipupulong niya yun, talaga, magkakaroon ng sharp. Kasi, we all know na nag-whistle siya, we all know na mataas ang boses niya. Pero doon kasi sa execution, even Jerome Abardo, may ganun din eh. May pinuputol silang part. Something like vocal technique. Pero sa pinaka-last word, parang, wait.
What has he got?
Gusto ko to.
Nothing said
Nagsasign siya, no?
that he is not. To say the things
I love this part.
he feels, and not the words of one who needs.
Okay.
The record shows I took the blows. I did it my way.
Nice. Ganda. Di ba? Dito sa last part eh, no? Yung last part niya talaga. Wait. Yes.
Thank you very much, everyone.
Alright, there you go guys. That's it for today's video. Ruel Carino's My Way. I love it. Nag-enjoy ako. This is Kiki Vlogs. See you on my next vlog. Bye.